Hi, I'm Alex Hawk, and I'm the Sophomore Project Coordinator. I met with Dr. Blanc one afternoon to discuss ideas on how we could integrate the Da Vinci community in with the tools in Studio One. Learning how to use these machines has been invaluable to us. These skills we've gained from this experience can transition well into many different career options.
Hi, my name is Nikki Lewis. I finished my PhD last year in genetics, bioinformatics, and computational biology, and my role here is one of the staff members for the studio. So for the Da Vinci project, I focused mostly on training the students and helping them with problem solving as they ran into roadblocks for the project. So I trained all of the students on using the 3D laser scanner and then the computer-aided design software. So all of the freshmen and sophomore had limited to no experience on the equipment and the programs. So my role up front was teaching them how to use those things. So it was a little bit of a daunting task, but all the students did a really great job of picking it up and doing their best to get through the process and learn along the way. So some other things we ran into with there were mostly issues with scanning the organs. So things like holes in the layers that were scanned, and so learning to use chalk to cover up reflective surfaces, learning some basics about 3D visualization, so what does something look like in three-dimensional space, and how can I orient it to better see different sides of the object. And then because all of the organs are very different in size and shape, a lot of the settings that we had to use would be different. And so that was a little bit of a learning curve, because the basic tutorial worked great for a very simple item, but then going from group to group, they had to learn that, just because one group was comfortable or successful with a certain amount of settings, those had to be changed. So I think overall the students did a great job of picking up on the programs and the equipment, and even though it was pretty daunting for all of them to come in here and learn a lot of this stuff, they were willing to give it a shot, and they figured it out and put everything together. And so I think all of the students should really be proud of the work that they've done this semester on the project.
My name is Jonathan Briganti. I am a freshman in Da Vinci, and I worked on the heart for the Anatomical model project. We started by taking a rotating scanner and scanning anywhere from 6 to 12 pictures of the actual model that we already had pre-existing, and we put it on the computer, and we had to spend several working sessions combining all those scans to get a 3D model, which we then had to clean up using a different program, and finally after that we were able to test edit it and print it using the 3D printer.